Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over what kind of camera is on the new iPhone 17. So to simply put, the new iPhone 17, the one that you see here, has a 48 MP rear camera. So what that means is that it's got a 2-time optical quality telephoto, and it's also got an ultra wide camera as well. So the resolution is 4 times better than the iPhone 16. And with it, you'll get stunning, super high resolution shots, whether you're up close, far away, indoors, or outdoors. In addition to that, it works really well in bright to low light supposedly. So compared to the iPhone 16 or its predecessor, you will have no problems with this iPhone shooting in low light or really bright light. It's also got a camera button here as well to easily access the camera. But with that though, if you're a content creator or someone who loves taking photos or videos, definitely check this out. I think it's going to be a major upgrade. With me in particular, I've had no problems with this whatsoever. So if you've been looking to learn more about the camera resolution, there you have it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.